Hello, my little kitties. How are you all? Are you all good? Okay, so without any delay, let's start today's topic. Okay, so by looking at the picture, you are going to think, what is this? So, I am going to tell you today we are going to start coding. So before coding, we are going to do this kind of things. Okay, so some of you heard this term coding, okay, but some of you don't know what is coding. Okay, so coding is a very big thing. Okay, so before going to coding, we are going to know what is the definition of coding, why we learn coding. Okay, coding coding helps coding helps us to learn to problem solve. Okay, like you guys are solving riddles, solving word gate puzzles. Okay, like this one also belongs to coding. We are giving some kind of code to find out something. Okay, so coding teaches you how to think, how to solve the problem, and it is going to give you competitive advantage. Okay, so it will enhance your creativity level also. You can think and you can create your own code. You can do anything. Okay, so this is the first session of coding. Okay, we are going to tell you so many things before coding, what you are going to learn. So let's start. Okay, so like this, here in this slide you saw what is this? The symbol of down. Okay, symbol of down, and this is the symbol of forward, and this is the symbol of up. Okay, and this is the symbol of backward. So we are going to follow the instructions, like going down or going forward or going up or going backward. Okay, we are going to follow the instruction what's written in each slide. Okay, now here I have written so many alphabets here. Okay, now here it's written follow the directions to get the answer. Okay, start here it's written start, and instruction, or we are giving the code forward to. So we are going forward means, so as I said earlier, we are giving instructions and we will follow the directions. Okay, like what given. So first here it's written start, then forward to. Okay, here it is the start. Here it is the start. We need to start from here means it is 0, and we will go forward to means we will reach W. Okay, from W we need to follow down one, back one. Okay, down means down one, this is down one, and back one. So where we reach, sorry, D. Okay, so here it's written D. Now the instruction is down 5. So down 5 means if we consider it 0, then we will go down 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so we are here, so it's V. Okay, now forward 4, up 2. So forward means we are going in this direction, forward from V. So we will consider now V is 0 and we will go forward 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then up to 1, 2. Okay. So here we get F. Now back 5, up 3. Now back 5 from here. So we will consider this as 0. So back 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up 3, 1, 2, and 3. So where we reach? Sorry. Sorry. So we will reach here. So E. Now here it's also written E. Now up 1. Okay. Up 1 means again we reach start. Okay. So from start we begin and we end at start. Okay. So like this we are giving instructions in coding. Okay. Coding, we have many languages. So for you, my little friends, we first learn what is the basics. Okay. How we will follow to do something. Okay. So this is our first session. So be with us. If you are new to our channel, then please subscribe the channel and please like, share, and be with our family. Okay. So it will inspire me to give you more knowledge. Okay. So I am here to solve your all kind of problems. So please be my friends. Yes or no? Okay. Thank you.